Okay, today we're going to look at joining a Facebook group, particularly joining a closed group if we can happen to find one. As mentioned in the article, there are both closed and open groups. The only difference is open groups, anybody can join them, and closed groups have some sort of qualification. So if you look in the top left corner of your screen, there is a search bar here, okay? We're going to look for AP Literature and Composition because this is a class that I'm interested in collaborating with. As you can see, next to the group, there is a join button. It has the plus sign and the word join next to it. So we're going to go ahead and click on this one. Now, as discussed in the article, for some closed groups, there are qualifications you have to meet to join the group. So this particular group is asking me, are you a current English teacher? So we're going to go ahead and answer these questions. And then just finish this up. Okay, and send to admins. Now, we have no control over whether or not you've been accepted, but if you see it says questions completed, admin will receive your answers. You'll be notified if your request to join has been approved. So now you just play the waiting game. And that's as easy, it's as easy as that to go ahead and join a closed group.